this is the Superior King Suite. Let's start here. Let's start here. Got your iridescent shower doors, water closet door. Very nice tile situation. I mean, y'all already know what's going on here. It's kind of unique. Blinds to see through the room. Some added privacy, or I don't know. It just looks nice. A little limited on the closet, hang up your clothes space, but this will do. Also, yeah, it took us a couple seconds to figure out how you get privacy in the restroom or bathroom. So this is how you get privacy in the bathroom. All right, King. Nice decor. Very white in here. Like, if you can't tell from the video, as soon as you walk in, it is very monochromatic with the whites. Everything in your mini bar is on a sensor, so as soon as you touch it, you are charged. So, you know, be cautious. But these are all about $14 each. Beers and stuff are like $8, $9, $10, depending on which one you get. This bottle is $80. I think that bottle is $140. They supposed to have a bottle of Casamigos in here, Blanco, which is $70. So yeah, so just be aware. Hopefully you can hear me on top of this TV. I should have muted that. Got your stuff, QR code for all your hotel information. And balcony is kind of slim, but you know, it'll serve its purpose. Overlooking the pool. And the water view. I mean, that's it, man. Quick and dirty. I had seen pictures of everything online. I wasn't really sure how I would feel about the decor and everything with it being, you know, white, but it does kind of, it's a nice feel. Like, I get it now that I'm here. The pictures don't really do it justice. So I'm good with this room. I like this room. We typically stay at the Cove at Atlantis, so probably should have done maybe the Rosewood to get like a true like for like. But yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you just saw the Superior King Suite.